Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to email custom receipts to your Kajabi customers. If you've been looking for a way to personalize the purchase experience and send branded receipts that reflect your business identity, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. First, you'll need to open your Kajabi site, head over to your Kajabi login page, and sign in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll want to open your website editor for the site where you manage your products and offers. If you're using a custom domain, simply navigate there after signing in to access your dashboard. Next, let's navigate to the Offers section. Look over to the left-hand menu and click on Sales. When you do this, an expanded menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Offers. This is where all your products and services are organized, and it's the hub for managing how your customers receive purchase confirmations. Under the Offers page, you'll be presented with a list of all the offers you currently have set up. From this list, select the offer you want to add a customized receipt to, then click on it to open the details. Alternatively, if you're setting up something new, you can create an offer from the top right corner of your screen. For this tutorial, we'll just use an existing offer and insert a customized receipt into it. Once you're inside the offer details page, scroll down until you find the section named Post-Purchase Email. This is the key area where you can add your custom email and compose a personalized receipt. Click on the Custom Email option and a new Compose window will appear. From here, you can add your email subject line and craft the receipt content in the email body. This is your opportunity to include branding, thank you messages, or any additional instructions you want your customers to see immediately after their purchase. Once you're satisfied with your custom receipt, click on Save to finalize the changes. Your customized receipt will now be sent automatically to customers whenever they complete a purchase of that specific offer. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.